So welcome back to the second session. Yes. Till now, we have completed ABAP editor. Almost features are over. So section triple two we will take a separate topic that is nothing but package builder. I'm going to introduce one separate topic as a this is we have okay package builder is the first term. Then connected topic is transport because these topics we have to study as a sequential. Okay, so this objects we will try to understand the request concept. What is task concept? This is very important in case of yes. Okay. Yes, I said right. Yes, if you do the change, we will write this approach. Begin of begin of change. Okay, and the TR number through we can trace the like end of change. So this way, TR number through we can trace the who is the user and all. Everything is recorded under transport cost. So that's why now the original program has undergone many times many changes because yes, 2010 was the original program developed. This program carried out 2013 one level change, 2016 another level change, etc. Even 2025, through these many changes happened. Okay, because that is the client requirement changes, business requirement changes. Rather than developing another program, we will do the same changes to the existing program. Okay, right. Then we will go to the package concept. This is already introduced at the initial level if you are attended my session or you revised my older session. Package, again I will quickly write it. Package uh, development class both are same. Okay, that is till 4.63 version we used to call development class. Now 4.7 words, 4.7 enterprise version onwards, what happens? It is renamed as package. Okay, so what exactly the package? Because this is simply you understand this approach. We have suppose several files are these similar files you can group it into a folder, right? Folder, right? So what is the advantage of that? By looking at the folder itself, we will come to know the logical grouping or segregation. So anytime, see you can do one thing. First you create a folder, empty folder. You name the folder. Double click on the folder, empty folder. Inside the folder, right click. You can create new Word, PowerPoint, and text, Excel, etc. All objects, all files you can create. So that means first you create folder, empty folder, and again within that folder you can create files. That is one option. Otherwise, what is the alternative approach? First, I created so many Excel, PDF, text files, and image files. After that, see what I want override is I create a folder. I will group logically group it. These are all belongs to SD folder. These are all belongs to M model. So module wise, I will create separate folders. This is golden concept in MS-DOS system. We used to call it as directories. Directory is a collection of files. Now, when Windows came. This is a in Windows we are calling it as folders. Folders are a collection of files. Okay, folder is a collection of files. Right. Now, if you look at similar concept implemented in ABAP is called as package. So package, okay. What is the advantage of package? Package is a collection of repository objects. Repository objects. That is your first step. That is, it is the act like container to hold all repository objects. Okay. Next, after that, like yes, package, because SAP, this is already, package can be created using package builder, package builder. That is, okay, or object navigator. That is your AC, yes, AC 80 through you can create it. Otherwise, AC 21 through you can create AC 21 through. Both are possible, right? So, if anybody asks you development class package, both are same. Now, uh, what is the purpose and all? Right. So, SAP defined objects. SAP means SAP built-in predefined objects belongs to SAP defined package. Objects to package. That is plural. Yes, plural. Even, okay. So that means when I said grouping, if you go to SAP SD, we have several packages. SD, MM, PP, QM, module wise, several packages are there, right? Sales one package, delivery package, grouping one package, etc. There are several packages. uh, hmm. So now even customer can create our own package. What is that customer created? So customer objects can be saved. Customer object can be saved in dollar TMP default package. Okay, dollar TMP default package or customer package. Okay, this is true. Yes, what is this dollar TMP? Already explained earlier. Once again, revising this quickly. Dollar TMP is a default package which is a collection of all local objects. All local objects. Yes. So the object saved under dollar $TMP DMP is considered local. That is, local object cannot be transported to either quality or production. That is, local object cannot be transported to quality or production. We cannot transport. It remains all local objects. All local objects remains local in development only. All local objects remains in developments only. So that is because, like, if you look at almost, we have done the SC level. Initially, I saved objects into that package. Otherwise, most of the time, all programs are we saved into $DMP, right? Yes. So now, if you want to move object into package also, we can move it. So generally, when project begins, okay, when project begins or starts, basis consultants, basis consultants creates module wise, or functional area wise packages and assigns to respective papers. Example, okay, why we have to create? Because with this so many hours to the discussion result, you understand that there is a clear difference. SAP namespace is different A to Z, U to X. SAP object namespace, SAP package namespace. That is A to X, A to X. And the customer objects Y or Z are special naming conventions, and our package YZ, our object YZ. What is not possible is SAP object we cannot save it in our custom package. So vice versa, our customer object YRG object we cannot save it in SAP package. This both not possible. But when we suppose I want to copy standard SAP program to our YRZ program, that's okay. When you copy it, you can save it in our own package or dark. So okay, clear. So when we are a customer, we have two options. That is, you can save it by default into $DMP. Otherwise, you can go with our custom package also. So if you want to see all $DMP objects, first go to main object directory entry. Here you can find the so package is editable. You know this R-thread program is not editable. Instance name, language, date you cannot edit. This is object attributes which are saved under this TADR table, repository table. Package and created by person name both can be modifiable at a later time. So now, if you go to the package, you want to change from one package to another package, you can change it also, right? Then, so if you go to that log overview, nothing, no log, because it is not logged under any kind of TR. Whenever it is saved in package, I can show you the log overview or later. Object attributes, this is your object attributes. You can see that as attributes of the program. Okay. Log attributes are not there. Okay, log here and there. So we will go back. Go back to SC80 view. That is object hierarchy. In this drop down, first drop down, can go to all local objects. If you say all local objects you can find it user wise. So below my user came. If you say star, all users, all local objects will be displayed. So click on display. What will happen? See my $TMP package related objects. So this is again classified as your what is it? Tables. So this all these tables are tables, structures, data elements, domains, etc. in the programs. So this all this program function group include messages classes. Everything I saved in I saved in what? $TMP as well, right? Because this is S4 HANA server, we have not created our package. And now I will create and show you to you how to move this object to object. Yes. Okay, clear? Yes. So you no need to worry. Yes, I will write one. So SD, SAP SD package. That is example. Suppose VA. VA is a sales package. Okay. VF. You know this is your SAP. Some related. So many packages are there. But one of the packages is me. That is your purchase related package. So SAP FICO, FICO, so many packages are there. You can find FBAS. FBAS, correct? Yes. Can find here, like if you go to, these are all local objects. Go to the package where you want to see. Go to the package, here it is. Recently I introduced this into, yes, VA package. So all sales related. So what is the package consist of? Package sub-objects. Under package, you will find sub-packages also. Okay. And as well as business engineering objects, workflow related, dictionary SC11 objects, SC24 classes, SC38 are yes, type M or type 1 includes our programs, many programs. SC38 programs. SC37 function group includes transaction code SC93 transaction codes. Dialog modules are there. This dialog modules. Okay, you can find this dialog. This is your separate dialog modules. We'll discuss this topic as a separate. Then go to the okay. Area certificate parameters of the authorization objects, IUG activities. Okay, under this particular package, and moreover, this authorization objects enhancements, so many things. Age remix, SCJW, data related, yes, all objects. So that is, yes, this is your VA package. If you go to me, and moreover, if you go to VA package, double click on this package. Yes, this is your package. Package, okay. You can go to directly SC21. This is your SC21 package builder. So under package builder, we have the these details, all these details, you will find it over. So go back to display objects list, take this drop down, again package, here you can give package as me, package as me, then under package me, yes, all objects list. These are all programs, classes, and all objects are listed here. Okay. Yes, this is another package. So if you take FBAS, so this is your FICO related package. Yes, this is your financial accounting package. Okay. So these are all the list of the, yes, you can find all the list of the objects. Because I told you packages, this repository concept from the day one onwards we are discussing. So when we go to repo, if anything is there in SAP, it must be there under repository. It is a repository of. In the repository is a collection of application areas or functional areas. That is your functional modules like SDMM, right? Then under that, you have a web package. Okay, under the package, you will find so many repository objects, right? So that is, so in SAP, you will find all into repository objects. So if at all I want to write this below section, yes, application area is S3. Application area is S3. The package is BA. Application area is MM. The package is, what is that? Me is the package. Application area is FI. Okay, FI, and this is your FBAS. So under this package, VA, all sales related tables, programs, creates menus, forms, and your classes, interfaces, everything is stored under there. Me, purchase related tables, function modules, classes, interfaces, everything saved. Similarly, FI. So, okay, got it, no? So, package plays very important role in this one-time discussion. Yes, we have to understand it very easily. So, initially, when we started, so SAP created many. If you want to see all packages list, so if you go to SC21 first, SC21 is a package builder. If you go to VA, you cannot create change display. So create change only display. So package, yes. There is a actually application, and the application component is there. SD-SLS. That is your, this also I explained earlier. If you could remember for this application, and the application component is there. Okay. And the application component, just like software component. Okay. Under that, you will find this package access. So if you go to SD SLS, SLS for sales related. This is your MM, that is your me. Me is the package. Yes, me also. We can see this application component. SD SLS MM-PUR. Sorry. MM-PUR. Purchase related. So this way we have to identify that. Yes, this broad view you can identify because you know one table, one pen, that must belongs to any one of the package, any one of the application component in this repository, right? Now, so let us go to these concepts. If you look at package properties how SAP created this package. So package is also having description belongs to which application component who created when created last modified. Super package. Super package, sub package concept is nothing but just like a hierarchy. If you want to see the package hierarchy, some this is derived from the superclass to subclass. Similarly, so package can be created as a main package or sub package. Okay. And moreover, when you create a package, you have to give the transport layer. Transport layer is called as transport route. That is, what is the transport route? Accordingly, you have to. So use access, package interfaces, in package interfaces, sub packages, package hierarchy. Hierarchy, you can find it APPL is the super package, then PA, then under, then another. This is your hierarchy with tree structure. How these objects are derived from this. Okay. So this is your SC21 package. Correct. Then go to, yes, again SC21. Take one more package called as me. If you click on display, click on display. Yes. Here, yes, go to object directory entry. This is called as package creation, right? So package is considered as DBC. So DBC. It's DBC is nothing but development things. Okay, I can take you to that. DBC, we can check it out. This is created and done. Right? So you can find it yes, super sub package. Super package, sub package is not a main pack. So this is your hierarchy list. So similarly, you can find FBAS. Okay, similarly, yes, you can find all those objects. Right. Now, in SC11, we will go to, we will try to find out, yes, in TADAR table, repository table, we will give this object as D development things. So how many development classes are there? 48. This is your R3TR. Yes, R3TR is 0. 3T. It's 48,320. So if you go to VA, VA is a, yes, package. Go to package. Yes, this is your package property. When it was created, 4.63 it was created, right? So you can find all these package details. This is me. Okay, yes. When it was created, which language it is created, etc. Okay, so go to, so this way you can find all the, yes, all the objects list. This is your, so go back to dollar TMP. So TMP is no table in this found with this. Okay. Because that is, you want to check, you can check SC21 dollar TMP. SAP object. Dollar TMP is there, it is not same application component. It is person responsible created by SAP. Okay, it is software component as local. Okay, sub packages, package hierarchy. This is your overall package related discussion of. So, if you go back, how many packages are there in SAP? So, overall, you'll find 48,329. See, because almost so many repository objects are there, all objects belongs to this package. So, source system, yes. So many, these are all comes under development classes. Development class is nothing but the development class is nothing but your like this is your package. See here, you can find it SCP. Like because this is very important for all functional consultants, technical consultants, this discussion. Because in the FS also we have to specify which package you are going to save this or which. So R3DR is program ID, object is development class. These are all the packages. Package source system, SRC system, source system, R2, or SCP. This is the development class. That is the package name, development class name, more or less same. So, master language versions, that is master language, original language, intermediate flag, generation flag, etc. Okay, so this is your component. So, uh, that's all. Okay, fine. Any text table is there? No text table. Find the entry of the repository. So, this is the way 48,000 packages, all packages. So all module wise packages. Because if you want some classification, you can go to this SAP HR suppose. If you give component as SAP HR, component as SAP HR, then you will find all HR related, yes, 184 HR related packages. See, all almost application component based, you can segregate it because if you want to know how do I come to know these packages? Yes, good question. So you will find HR is a package. Yes, these are all the packages. Similarly, you can find yes, this is PBAS. PBAS for this. Okay, so if you go to similarly, you can find out uh, like what was that? FBAS. FBAS belongs to which component? Component is blank. Okay, fine. So then you can try out the FI related any data. Yes, FI is not there. So if you want to go to ER, component is FI score ER. So we have to see how many objects are. So I guess it should be there. If not, we have to find out FI related how many packages are there. Slowly we can note it down. So if you want to see any object directory entry through, you can note it down the yes, suppose KPF is a table. I want to know which package it belongs to. So in the attributes, can find package FBA. Otherwise, go to menu, object directory entry. Here you can find the package. These are all the ways. So you see 38 attributes. You see 37 attributes screen through. You can check it out. This packages. Okay. This is your package related built-in discussion. Now we'll create our own package. Package creation steps. Yes. Steps to create package. Custom package. Generally, packages are created by basis consultants and they will give it to you. ZSD, ZMM, ZFI, ZHR, etc. So we don't have authorization to package creation in one time. Activity that two module wise only single project, single packages we will create and we will save all of our objects into that while the live plan. But now going to $TMPs, when $TMP is used or recommended is, but all some programs are there. I don't want to transport to the quality and production. I want to just I want to use it for my testing purpose. I just want to use for my testing purpose. At that time, uh, you can create some small test programs. Okay, some test programs. Program begins with Y are saved into $TMP, $TMP pack, which are not required to move to production or quality. Okay, we will keep it here only. Some kind of R&D explore to mostly rather than Z, I use Y program, Y tables, Y function mode. So Y namespace is rarely used $TMP purpose. Okay, even Z also used for $TMP. So now we will go to custom package creation. So for that we have to go to yes, execute obviously the transaction code. Okay, yes, here it is SC21. SC21 for package builder. So package builder is also a tool, but which tool? It is a it is not there under development tool. Yes, it is not a yes overview tool or development or utility tool. So here you will find like under even it is not in under our control. So go to administration. Administration. Here you will find a SE21 path also you can search it because I know there is a way to search search underscore SAP underscore menu that you can find it here. So somewhere it is there, but it is not under our this package creation is a transaction under functional consultants. Okay, it's under basis consultants. It is not ours. Okay, fine. Next, so type SC21. Type our package. The APK underscore package. Package create. Specify the package name. One second. Package. Okay. Package. Click on create. Yes. Now specify short description. So AVK package for AVK objects. Simple, because that is application component, software component. You can find the difference. All application components are for these things. Okay. These application components you can find it under this application diagram. Here also you will find your module wise SCMM. Suppose financial accounting. This is your FI. FI components, subcomponents are FI hyphen AR, AP, AL, LA, etc. These are all sub that you can expand further. So that is your application. There is a network interruption. Please wait. Okay, fine. Reset. Okay. Yes. So that is about your overall like package related. So many application components. Application fine. Like software components. Software component. Right. Software component as by default home. So if you look at software components are these are all software installed. Then we'll go with home. Home is all customer development. Then transport layer. Transport layer is nothing but transport route. Standard route is dev to quality, quality to production. This is standard. There is a standard box. Standard box is out of the route. There is a pre-production is there, but we don't need pre-production is also like please totally different. I will tell you that. Okay, we will go quickly finish this. Okay, I will simultaneously notes. Yes. So execute T code SE21 or SE80 also. Then specify package name begins with Y urgent. Y urgent. Then click on create. Because we always create package, not package instance. Click on create. Specify system generated dialog box. Specify short description. Specify short description. This is your short description. Application component is optional. Okay, if you want to specify application component, that is which is optional. What is the meaning of application component is if you want to save this particular uh, like object into SDMM, particular object specific you want to do it, then that is module specific, then you can go for specify the application component you can specify it. Otherwise, leave it as blank. Then next, specify software component. Okay, specify software component as home. Software component home. Home is used to save all customer developments. All customer developments are saved under home. Then specify transport layer. Okay, specify transport layer. That is nothing but transport route. Transport route. Okay, that is your standard route. Transport route defines the transport object's movement from, yes, generally standard route is go with, yes, these things only. Dev to quality, quality to production. Right. Then next, super package is optional. Package type is development class. Other package types are the main package. Main package may have sub packages. Structure package is also there. So you want to protect the package, you can activate the checkbox as package encapsulated. So package is like development. Okay. Package type as development. Okay. Right. Now, when we save it, if you want further help, yes, this will take you to help.sap.com. Everywhere in detail help. Yes. Save. When you save, system proposes transport request. Yes, this is important. Yes. Okay. So click on save, save button. Then system proposes transport request. System proposes transport request. Right. Prompt for transportable workbench request. So under this is the package, current package. Now you have to click on create request. Create request. Click on create request. So specify short description. Yes. Specify short description. That is nothing but, yes, this is your, yes, AVK package. That is current activity package. Okay, package creation, etc. So under this, whenever you create a request, you will find short description and project also. If you want, project is blank now, but project specific TRs. So specify project specific. Then after that, remaining things I'll explain to you later. Okay, yes, click on save. So that system generated. So now you have to click on save. Now notice that system generated transport request. System generated transport request. Okay. Yes. This is your package and the request and the short description. Okay. Yes. Transportable workbench request. Then you can simply go with continue. Continue is an. So package is ready. Continue. Okay. Now package is ready. This is the way to create the package. Even the same steps followed by basis consultants they to create a package. Now if you observe it, package name, package like short description, who created, when created. It is not a main package. Transport layer, software component is home, etc. Use access, package interfaces, sub packages, package hierarchy, etc. From here to you want to navigate to SCAT view, you can go to display objects first. Yes. This is because package is empty as such, right? Package is just now created. So all of my previously created programs, I can move it into this package. But do remember that earlier it was $70 EMP, now it is moved to custom package. When you move it, what will happen? Like one object always belongs to one package at a time. It is removed from $EMP and saved into new package. Okay. So because by mistake our object is saved in other package also, we have a provision always we can shift change from one package to another package. That is possible. See, package is empty as such. Now, if you go to this package, right click, because in SCVT, right click, we can create under one package, create all objects, change display objects, copy, delete, check, and execute, right to transport entry, and yes, version management. Additional options. So these are all possible. If you look at create, what all objects we can create. So if you look at package, we can create another package or package interface in program or function group. Okay. Yeah. Dictionary object also. That is nothing but all of your SC11 objects you can create it. Only when you create a program, it will ask for type 1 or type M. That is, if you want top input or not, accordingly, you can find. Then classes. Okay, you can go to BSP extensions, enhancements was business entity, yes, but details, entity type, but form objects, form and interface, that is test script and others can create include transformations. That is your XLT transformations you can create it, and the transaction message class internet service. Okay, all these things. Others test cockpit application jobs authorizations. Okay, so POPF objects code composer CDS core data services. All the things you can save it under package. Okay. Yes, extensibility, CDS context, Fury interfaces. Yes, so API management, series switch framework, enhancement framework. Yes, so these many objects. Because by end of this course, we'll cover all the objects. Okay, not all at a time. Okay, so now once you are clear with package, you can go to SC11 through you can create table or SC80 right click package, right directly right click you can create and save your table structures data domains into this. Even function models you can directly create. Programs you can create. Screens menus you can create. Classes and interfaces, global classes, global interfaces you can create it directly. Okay. Suppose if you want to move, I want to move. This is your local objects, right? All my local objects. Local object, yes, with respect to this system. Let's take this is your database table, ABK EMP master. Simple. This EMP master is this is your technical settings. Okay, fine. So now internal error. That is the exit message altogether. So if you want to move dictionary object, simply go to table, this one table, yes, change, go to menu, object directory entry. Yes, simply now you change your package. AVK underscore package. Save it. Yes. Just moving into package. So it is removed from this local objects list. It is totally shifted into our, yes, it is removed. Table type. Double click. So this way, finally what I will do is almost, because it is such a good practice, because it under always under package in the, because in the project we always save everything, all of our developments into package. So all structures also we have to move. I will do this at offline because that is so tedious, hectic process, time taking process. So almost all of our previous subjects also I will try to move it into package. What is the advantage is that you can find our objects at one place. Grouping, logically grouping. So because verification is easy immediately to identify this. So let's go to our package now. After moving package, AVK package. Earlier it was empty. Now you can see here these tables are moved, these table types are moved, these structures are moved. Okay, this way we can move all of our objects into the our package. Okay, clear? So this is your package related discussion, but this is not completed. In fact, we have to continue because this topic is related with your landscape, system landscape. Because most of the common landscape, system landscape, I already explained earlier. Okay, long back, similar things only. We have to, yes, that is your, yes, if you go to, yes. Mm. So development, this is your development quality in production. Yes, this is your standard route. Very few companies are using pre-production. So you know these instances are written in uppercase. I already told you the purpose of things are about PAS, PR. Each box or each instance or each application server or each SID system ID. Okay, each one is development for development purpose, production quality for testing purpose, production for usage purpose. We'll all develop objects here. Then we will move on to the quality. So if it is objects are saved under package, which can be transported to quality and production file. Okay, this is our overall transport moments. Okay, yes. No, because objects cannot be developed in quality and production because quality and production are not modifiable. You cannot do any changes. So the development and change will carry out with the development box. Here, first package, then under package will create object, then we will move it into the quality element production and okay, clear? Yes, this is just now I created one. This is your $TMP package. This is my package, right? So this is your default package $TMP. Yes, $TMP is local object. But just now I created GAVK underscore package, right? Under this package. So now you can directly save your object into this package, or else you can move $TMP object into this package. because $TMP objects are local objects. Local means they are local to the development, which cannot be transported. Yes. So now we have to see what is this TR related discussions and release procedure. After release, what will happen? There is a sandbox is there. Sandbox is a child actually. Sandbox is not there. So sandbox sometimes they will create. There is a separate box called as sandbox. Okay, this is so in sandbox that is only for testing purpose. They will keep. It is not like sandbox is not a part of standard route. Transport route is this standard route. Okay, this is a route. Even our pre-production is there. Pre-production is a copy of the production, right? Yes. Every yes. Pre-production is used. Okay, for training purpose, learning purpose. Sorry, any kind of yeah. We want to give it to the training to the users. We will use this data. A replica of the production copy pre-production. These two are synced. They will keep the backup data into here. Yes. Okay. Yes. So these are all about your sandbox is optional, pre-production is optional, standard configured by basis SAP recommends three system that is dev, quality and production. Okay. So this is we will next topic we will discuss the release procedure also. Okay. TR movement. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next session.